Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of JavaScript functions. At the end of the video, we will create some small project examples using functions. Hey there, future coding wizard. If you're enjoying this video so far and want to join the exclusive club of JavaScript aficionados, hit that subscribe button faster than you can say console, log I love coding. Trust me, it's way more fun than trying to debug a never-ending loop. Don't be a nan, not a number, be a part of the coding dream team. Now, let's dive back into the world of JavaScript sorcery. Functions are reusable blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks or calculate values. They can accept input data, execute actions based on that data, and optionally return output. Let's start with the basics. In JavaScript, functions are declared using the function keyword. Defining a function with a name, parameters optional, and a block of code enclosed in curly braces. Invoking or executing a function by its name, optionally passing arguments. A function expression is a function that is assigned to a variable or passed as an argument to another function. It does not get hoisted to the top of the scope like function declarations do. Function expressions can be named or anonymous. You are seeing an example of a named function expression. You are now seeing an example of an anonymous function expression. Arrow functions provide a more concise syntax for writing functions, especially when dealing with simple one-liner functions. They do not have their own this context. Instead, they inherit this from the surrounding lexical scope. Arrow functions cannot be used as constructor functions and do not have their own arguments object. In short, function expressions and arrow functions provide more flexibility and concise syntax for writing functions in JavaScript, allowing developers to write cleaner and more expressive code. JavaScript supports higher-order functions, which can take other functions as arguments or return functions. Let's explore this with an example using the map function. Closures are powerful and often misunderstood concepts in JavaScript. They allow functions to access variables from their lexical scope, even after the outer function has finished executing. Let's put our knowledge into practice with a project of simple calculator application. Another practical example is a basic Todo list application. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to JavaScript functions. We've covered everything from the basics to advanced concepts, along with practical examples to help solidify your understanding.